Welcome to a journey into the heart of probability, where we will uncover how a seemingly abstract mathematical constant governs the most unpredictable events in our universe. From calculating the odds of a massive meteor strike hitting the Earth in a given century, to predicting the exact number of emails that will flood a corporate data center's servers in the next hour, there is a hidden order in the chaos. This order is elegantly described by the Poisson distribution, a powerful mathematical tool. And at the absolute center of this distribution lies Euler's number, denoted as E, approximately equal to 2.71828. Today, we will explore why E, a number famous for calculating compound interest, is actually the key to predicting the unpredictable. To understand the Poisson distribution, we first must understand the origin of Euler's number, E. Discovered by Jacob Bernoulli in 1683 and later popularized by Leonhard Euler, E is fundamentally about continuous growth. Imagine you have a bank account that pays 100% interest. If compounded annually, your money doubles. If compounded monthly, you get a bit more. But what if the interest is compounded continuously, every single millisecond? The growth doesn't go to infinity, it converges to a strict limit, roughly 2.71828 times your original amount. This concept of continuous, uninterrupted rates across a span of time is exactly what we need when dealing with events that can happen at any continuous moment, rather than in discrete, predictable steps. So, how do we bridge the gap between continuous compound interest and predicting random events? Enter the binomial to Poisson transition. Imagine flipping a coin. That's a binomial event with clear, discrete trials. But rare, real-world events don't wait for a coin flip. They can happen at any fraction of a second. If we take a binomial distribution and push the number of intervals n to infinity, making the probability p of an event in each microinterval approach zero, while keeping the average rate of events constant, we cross a mathematical bridge. As n approaches infinity, the binomial formula elegantly transforms, and Euler's number E naturally emerges from the limit, giving birth to the Poisson process. This brings us to the crown jewel of rare event prediction, the Poisson probability mass function. The formula is P of k equals lambda to the k times e to the negative lambda divided by k factorial. Let's break down this beautiful equation. P of k is the probability of exactly k events occurring in a specific time frame. Lambda is our expected average rate. For example, if a call center receives an average of 10 calls an hour, lambda is 10. K factorial accounts for the different permutations of when these events might happen. And finally, e to the negative lambda is our exponential decay factor, the engine of the formula, heavily dictating the probabilities based on the constant of continuous growth. Let's apply this to a cosmic scale, meteor strikes. Suppose astronomical data tells us that, on average, Earth is hit by a large meteor 3 times per century. Here, lambda equals 3. What is the probability of a peaceful century with exactly 0 strikes? Plugging k equals 0 into our formula, the math simplifies to just e to the negative 3, which equals roughly 0.049, or about a 5% chance. The graph of this distribution shows that while 3 is the most likely number of strikes, the curve accounts for the wild unpredictability of the cosmos, assigning smaller but mathematically precise probabilities to 1, 5, or even 10 strikes in a single century. Now let's zoom in from cosmic scales to everyday life. Server load prediction. Imagine an IT infrastructure team managing a data center. During peak hours, a specific server receives an average of 10 crucial error logs per minute, lambda equals 10. Unlike the meteor example, where the curve was heavily skewed to the left, a higher lambda pushes our Poisson distribution to the right, causing it to visually resemble a standard bell curve. Image comparing Poisson distribution graphs with low lambda versus high lambda. The Poisson distribution allows engineers to predict the exact probability of receiving 15 or 20 errors in a minute, ensuring they can automatically scale cloud resources exactly when the unpredictable happens, preventing catastrophic system crashes. Why does E play such a crucial role here? The secret lies in the term e to the negative lambda. This specific part of the formula represents the baseline probability of absolutely nothing happening, 0 events. As your expected average, lambda, increases, the chance of 0 events occurring drops exponentially. If you expect 1 email, lambda equals 1, the chance of getting 0 is e to the negative 1, about 37%. If you expect 5 emails, it drops to e to the negative 5, less than 1%. E perfectly models this exponential decay of silence. Without Euler's number, we would have no baseline to calculate the probability of the events that actually do happen. In conclusion, Euler's number is far more than an artifact of financial mathematics. It is the mathematical heartbeat of randomness. Through the Poisson distribution, E allows statisticians, engineers, and scientists to turn absolute chaos into quantifiable risk. Whether we are looking up at the stars waiting for a meteor or monitoring microscopic packets of data traversing a global network, E gives us the power to predict the unpredictable. References: A First Course in Probability by Sheldon Ross, Statistical Methods by S.P. Gupta.